Hey, what's going on YouTube? In today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to perform a schedule shutdown using your command prompt only. Alright, now that's going to be the only thing that you're going to need, your command prompt, and that's it. Alright, now this is probably going to come in really handy if you want to go to sleep, or if you're in the middle of an update or whatever and you just want to say, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and schedule the automatic shutdown, and that's it. Alright, now please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for all the support. Alright, now go ahead and pull up your command prompt, and I'll go ahead and show you the way we do this. Alright, now once you have your command prompt, go ahead and enter that command right there, shutdown /s/t 120. 120 stands for the amount of seconds. Okay, you have to enter the amount of seconds. So let's say if you want to go ahead and schedule the automatic update in an hour, the automatic shutdown in an hour, it's going to be 3600. If you want to go ahead and schedule that for 3 minutes, 180, and so forth. All right, so that's all you do. Once you go ahead and put that command, go ahead and press enter, and then you'll get that message. That's it. It says you're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 2 minutes. All right, so that's pretty much the only thing you have to do. Then go ahead and hit close. That's it. All right, so there's other ways to go ahead and schedule your automatic shutdown, but you know, this is really simple. Okay, you just go ahead and pull up the command prompt, you enter a command, you enter the amount of seconds, press enter. That's it. All right, so now if you want to go ahead and revert the process and not be logged off, if you want to go ahead and just cancel it for whatever reason, then that's the only thing that you have to enter, shutdown space -a. All right, and that's it. So that's gonna do it right here for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you here shortly. Peace out.